just made Christmas cookies. These cookies are delicious. So hold up. A fact is something you can prove, and an opinion is somebody's feeling or thoughts about something. So when I said I just baked cookies, you can prove that I just baked the cookies. You could go watch a film of me 10 minutes ago baking these cookies. But when I ate the cookies and said, this cookie is delicious, which it was, that's an opinion. Someone else might not think the cookies are as delicious as I do. They happen to be my mom's recipe, but someone else might not like hers. Let's say a giant tortoise can live to be up to 150 years old. Is that a fact or opinion? If you guessed fact, you are correct. Let's try another. Snakes make the worst pets. Fact or opinion? If you guessed opinion, you are also right. Way to go. Now that we have talked about fact and opinion, we need to talk about scientific method. The scientific method is 6 steps. I'm going to explain them further to you, broken down on each slide. Question. Observe and wonder about a scientific topic. Hypothesis. Make an educated guess to answer your question. Experiment. Follow the steps to test your hypothesis. Collect data. Record your observations and outcomes of the experiment. Analyze information. Reflect on the results. Report data. Communicate your results by report, presentation, or graph. So let's test the scientific method out. Come on, let's go back to my kitchen, where I can show you the steps to scientific method in baking. I wonder what will happen if I bake these cookies at 350 degrees for 10 minutes. My hypothesis is, I think these cookies will bake to a nice golden brown color. To experiment, I'm going to put these cookies in the oven for 350 degrees for 10 minutes and see what happens. Now it's time to analyze our information. These cookies look to be a nice golden brown color, so I think my hypothesis was correct. Now it's time for me to report my data. I'm going to give a presentation. Hi everyone, I'm Paige Matteson. I had a hypothesis that I believed baking these cookies at 350 degrees for 10 minutes would make my cookies nice and golden brown when they came out of the oven. So I did the experiment. I placed them in the oven at 350 degrees for 10 minutes, took them out, and they're a nice golden brown color. And they're delicious. Perfect recipe. From the presentation I just gave, I said these cookies are a golden brown color and are delicious. Can you tell me which one is the fact and which one is the opinion? If you think the cookies are golden brown is the fact, it's true. And the opinion is these cookies are delicious. Way to go, everyone. There are so many cool things to help you gather data. The internet is a great option. Just make sure you are using credible sources. If you are not always sure, you can always come and ask me. Remember, Wikipedia is not a good source. The library is always a great place to go for finding information. Make sure to go talk to a librarian, and they will help you as best as they can. Finally, your teacher is a great place to go. I might just have the answers you are looking for, but come prepared with questions. I am not going to do your homework for you. So be prepared and ready to work.